Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Harji Creations. In this video I would like to describe a very easy knitting pattern. Friends, it is a rib stitch knitting pattern. From the right side it looks like this, and from the wrong side it looks like this. Friends, this pattern can be used for making a scarf, cap, jacket, sweater, etc. It is only 2 rows repeat knitting pattern, and stitches needed for cast on are the multiple of 4 plus 2 edge stitches. So let's start the tutorial. Friends, before starting the tutorial, if you really like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification of the upcoming video. Friends, please also share my video with your friends in your groups. Thank you. Friends, I have cast on 26 stitches on my needle. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 and 26. 24 multiple of 4 plus 2 edge stitches. So let's start the first row of the pattern. Right side, slip the edge stitch. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is knit to 1 stitch, yarn in front, purl 3 stitches, 1 2 and 3. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and repeat pattern is yarn in back, knit 1, yarn in front, purl 3 stitches, 1 2 and 3. One more repeat, knit to 1, purl 3, 1 2 3. So in this way we will complete our first row by applying a pattern knit 1 and purl 3. So friends, I have completed first row. Last is our edge stitch. So yarn in back, knit the edge stitch. Second row, wrong side, slip the edge stitch. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is yarn in back, knit to 1 stitch, yarn in front, purl 1 stitch. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and repeat pattern is knit 1 purl 1. So repeat is knit 1 purl 1, knit 1 purl 1. We will complete this row by applying the same pattern knit 1 and purl 1. So let's complete this row by applying a pattern knit 1 and purl 1, knit 1 purl 1, knit 1 purl 1, knit 1 purl 1, So friends, last is our edge stitch, purl the edge stitch. So friends, we will repeat these 2 rows for the desired length of the pattern. Friends, I hope you will like my video. Thank you for watching my video and enjoying knitting with us.